In this video, we're going to take a look at onion skinning. Onion skinning is a method to aid in part hold down. It is where you cut almost all the way through all of the parts to leave just a thin layer and preserve the vacuum. Then come back and remove that onion skin on a final pass. So to set up for onion skinning, we first select the feature that we want to onion skin. We're going to do the final perimeter cut from the onion skin and come down to the tool offsets. We're cutting on the outside, and I'm going to check the box for onion skin. Once we have made that change, we have to click the button Save as Template. That is now going to apply the onion skin to all future calculations. So let's just first take a look at calculating here. And again, you don't have to click Calculate to save toolpaths. Saving toolpaths button is going to set up the calculation and the saving of toolpaths. So I did click Calculate mainly so we could take a look at this dotted line. It is hard to see the onion skin in this view, so I'm going to use the button here to toggle the orbit, and we could rotate this around. And we now see a double layer. That is the onion skin. So the first line that we have here is cutting almost all the way through, and it will continue around all of the parts at that depth. Then it will come back and remove that onion skin. Now I'm zooming in on a larger part that we have here. Zooming in, we can see that this part does not have that double line onion skin, but this part does. That is because we are able to set the size, what size parts get an onion skin. So these larger parts are big enough to where they're not going to give us an issue with hold down with our vacuum, but some of these smaller parts could possibly shift and not be a large enough area for the vacuum to do its job. But I have a feeling that these parts here are also large enough to hold without an onion skin. So the only parts that I want to onion skin are these small top stretchers. To be able to change that, going into Tools, then Settings, off on the top right of our settings, we have the onion skin. This is the thickness that is left, so it's 0.03, and then this is the area that we are going to get onion skin. So making that value smaller will eliminate some of the onion skin. So you want to think about it, and that is in square inches or square millimeters, depending on how you have the job set up. So we're going to reduce that to 150, then close. Now when we recalculate, again going to use the orbit, and we see we now only have that onion skin being applied to those smaller parts or all parts that are under 150 square inches. Hopefully this helps you hold parts better. Have a good day.